Announcement 1. We are pleased to announce that the winner of our fall sales contest is Jen Du. Congratulations, Jen. Jen was successful in securing 15 new clients in the month of November, which breaks the records held by John Doe since last January. Her achievement is particularly impressive since it happened in a month that is generally considered slow, showing on showing once again that it can be done. For her outstanding work, she will receive a trip for two to Honolulu, Hawaii. He wishes her and her husband bon voyage. Our next contest began in January. Get ready, the winner may be you. Thank you.